address, city, PIN, telephone number, etc. Many more fields are given. And in data source, you have to fill these fields so that its field name can be used in main document and it becomes easy to merge address with the main document. Now the second thing you want is main document. Main document is the data or contents that you want to send to multiple people at different address. So how mail merge work? If you have 10 names in the data source, you will get 10 letters. So let us see how we can get that 10 letters at one time. You have to remember only two things, that the data source and main document. So mail merge involves basically three steps. First, creating main document, specifying a data source and merge the data source with the main document. In first step, creating a main document. In this, you have to create the letter or text that you want to send to all the recipients. In second, specifying a data source. In this, you have to fill the field's name that you had to save in data. And after completing these two steps, you have to merge data source with the main document. Clear? So first you have to generate data source. Then you have to write the format of letter that you want to send, and at last you have to merge it. Now one by one we will discuss about it. Suppose you want to send an offer letter or a kind of birthday invitation to your 4 or 5 different people. So for this, first you have the data of that different peoples, means their name, address, city, PIN code. And a main document means content of the letter that you want to send all 4 people. Now next is how to create a mail merge document. For this, with the help of diagram, I will explain you. See in first diagram. First step, you have to click on mailing tab. In mailing tab, you will get option of start mail merge group. And when you click on it, at last it will give you option step by step mail merge wizard. Okay, this you have to select. After selecting this step by step mail merge wizard, it is of approx 6 steps. In the very first step, it will ask you about that what you want to do, means you want to give letter, email or envelope, labels or directory. So here we are going to do about letters, so I selected letter. Then you will click on the next starting document. Clear? Now next step, it will ask you about document, means from where you want to use it. That is from current document or start from template or start from existing document. Current document means now you will write it. Start from template means as a template you had saved, and from existing document means already you had made the document. So we are going to start it. So I had selected use the current document. Now I will click on next, select recipient. When you click on select recipient, it will give you 3 options: use an existing list, select from Outlook contacts, and type a new list. Existing list means already you have saved the data source from that 4 or 5 people to which you have to send letter. Select from Outlook contacts means from Outlook, from Excel you had already made that data and you want to copy. And last one is type a new list, means now you are going to type that data source. So you are doing first time, you will select type a new list button, then click on the create option. Now after this, the question is how to create recipient list. Means how we will make the list of that 4-5 people to whom we want to send letters. First, click on create a new mailing list. You have to select type a new list button, and then one dialog box will appear. See, this type of dialog box will appear. In first it is given title, then first name, last name, company name, address line. Maybe it is not clear in this screen. You can see from your book also. Okay. In address list dialog box appear. It is shown in figure. Click on the customize column button to add or remove any field. If you want to add any, means address first line, second line, then country name, these all options are also given there. Then you have to enter the data in the respective fields. Means if your friend name is Manoj Kumar, in first name you will write Manoj and in last name you will write Kumar. Then the company name, then address line 1, address line 2, city, country, this you have to fill. So for now you will enter the 4 records of your fields, friends or relatives, and then click on OK button. Okay. To go to next step means this first name you had filled. Now how to write on last name? You will use tab key to move between the fields. Now after filling 4 fields, 4 entries, you will get the save address dialog box. Save address dialog box will appear. Then you will specify a name in the file name, means with which name you want to save that file. Then click on save button. Then mail merge recipient dialog box will appear. This dialog box display the detail of all records that you had added. Means you had added the 4 name, it will give you a sample of that records. Now if you want to change any detail, you will click on edit button, and after this click on OK to confirm and close the window. Suppose you had filled the name of 10% and you want to send that letter only to 4%. So if you do not want to send the letter to a particular person or address, just click on that specified checkbox to deselect it. Okay, then click on OK button. Now by following these steps, you will create the recipient list. Now main document you had made, letter, recipient list you had made. Now next is how to, means you have to insert the merge field in that letter. See, insert merge field dialog box will appear. From where you will get it? Click on the mailing tab, then click merge field button is given there in this dialog box diagram. In the write and insert field group. Okay. Now the insert merge field dialog box will appear. Here you have to select the name or field that you want to enter. Means suppose you had written the letter content of the letter. Now you want to add your friend name after the dear. Dear you are writing dear Rakesh, dear Renu. So after dear you have to add first name, then space, then last name. You have to only click on it and click on insert option. But also I want to add their address also to send a particular person. So for inserting address, first name, then space, last name, then enter key for next line. Enter, address, then enter key, city, and then insert country name. Okay. So this it will appear. First name, last name, address line 1, 2, then city, then dear, title, first name, last name, then your content of the letter. Okay. So you had inserted, add the field to the letter. Now that is done. Now moving on to the next part, that if you want to view the merged data, means how it view after merging. Click on the preview result button in preview result group on the mailing tabs. All options you will get in mailing tabs. Okay, first click on mailing tab, then one option is given preview result. Here in diagram it is shown. Then you will select next, preview your letter. Okay. So in this you can exactly see how an email will be sent to a person. So the first record will be displayed as shown in the figure. Now for next record, click on the next button, symbol I had given. When you click on it, it will show the record of next person. Now see, sample is given here. Means you had inserted the name, first name, last name, Mona Thakur, address line 1, then city, then dear, then its name and the content of the letter. Okay, this is the preview result or after merging the data source and main document. Now after completing merge data process, the last thing you have to do is finishing. After finishing, you can take printouts of your letter. So in order to print the letter, follow the steps. This is given on your screen. Click on the mailing tab. In mailing tab, you will get the option of finish and merge button. Click on it. Then select the option of print documents. Then print document option will appear on your screen from the drop down menu option. Now define the print setting and click on OK button. Thank you students. I hope you all have understood the process and working of mail merge. Now your work is to read the chapter and with the help of this video try to find the answers of questions given in your book exercise. Maybe try to find answer of true, false, fill in the blanks or MCQ. You will get answer. It will very helpful from book and this video. Thank you.